But Billings Clinic CEO Scott Elner says they have more than 50 ventilators and 70 ICU beds. They are also canceling all elective surgeries for the time being. A centralized testing site is being worked on. That would perhaps be at the Metro. Another thing that was mentioned is that because of all of this, we are now facing a severe blood shortage. So they're asking people who can to contact Vitalant to give blood. COVID-19 having a devastating effect on the national and local economy. Today, Carbon County announced it is closing bars and restaurants with the exception of those that serve carryout for 1 week. Yellowstone County did the same thing yesterday. This decision left business owners wondering what to tell their employees, as many have been forced to make the change to delivery service or suspend operation. County officials today offering the first steps for financial assistance to help businesses affected by the health officer order to close. Q2's Mitch Legge joins us now from the newsroom with more on that. Mitch?
Well, Russ, the county commissioners, county disaster and emergency services, Big Sky Economic Development, and the Billings mayor all met today to provide the first steps to get those business owners some financial relief. Billings Mayor Bill Cole said it could be weeks or months before things approach normal again, but the decision was made in an effort to flatten the curve of COVID-19 in Yellowstone County. All businesses, schools, or events that have been canceled or postponed should fill out a one-page form to get the ball rolling on financial aid. The form is called an economic injury worksheet. It asks for information like name, address, date the impact began, and whether the event or business had to be closed or canceled. One form per event needs to be completed and sent to 2 separate email addresses. Officials urge that this should be done as soon as possible. The information collected will be used to apply for state and federal financial aid. Now, there are some more steps for business owners to take after that. Information will be available in the coming days from Big Sky Economic Development on how to apply for disaster loans from the Federal Small Business Administration.
That economic injury worksheet helps us establish the overall economic impact for our community. There will be, unfortunately, another step in the process to meet your individual business needs that have been impacted. If you need assistance at all, if you pull up that worksheet and it is just not making sense to you, which can happen to me, if you need assistance in completing that form, you can send a quick email to contact@bigskyeda.org and we will help you. Give us your contact information. We'll get on the phone with you. We'll walk through that information with you.
Arviskow said that there will be a time when the Billings community needs to show up and support our local businesses. Leaders urge the public to get informed from the right sources, like the Centers for Disease Control website. To find links to the economic injury worksheet and more information from county leaders, find this story at ktvq.com. Russ?
All right. Thank you, Mitch.